Hello guys, welcome to my new Death3.js tutorial. Before we will dive into the Death3.js, the first thing we should do is we should install IDE. Don't be worried if you do not understand something, you will get it with time. With the time my series progress, you will understand everything. So at first, just repeat what I'm doing. Go to the site, go to the URL brackets.io. You will be presented with this side. It may be different by the time you watch the tutorial. Just download the latest version. I did it already, so here's my latest version. Double click it. It will prompt you the place where you want to install it. I prefer installing a soft to my D drive, so I will install it here. Just name the location, then click OK. Leave the default for everything else, click next, then click install, allow it to install everything, wait while it is installing. It might take some time, so just wait, don't be worried. I will pause the video while it is installing and get back to you as soon as it is installed. Okay, my installation process was finished, so just click finish. So you should be able to see the icon of the brackets. If you're using Windows, you will be able to see it in the recently added. You can just right click it and pin to start. I love doing so, then it will be easier to access the program for me. So just put it where it will be easy for you to access, then click it. We will be presented with such window. You can close this, we don't need this anymore. Just click private network such as my home or work. Don't be worried, it won't steal your information, just agree with it and allow access. So there are a lot of pop-ups here, but that's fine, that's fine. So as I can see, we are presented with some info about brackets. We don't need it, so I'll go straight to the file, click new. We can file. So I think what we should do, we should create a new folder. So you should create a new folder. I will create mine in the tutorials. Let me create a folder for our tutorials. Death3.js tutorials. Then go to that folder and create here a new folder. Let's call it tutorial 1. Okay, so then you should go to brackets. I believe we can delete it. We don't need it. It will just distract us. So delete all these default files. Then close these file, open folder, and then go to the folder you just created. So I created a folder in projects, tutorials, the Death3.js tutorials, tutorial 1. So I open this folder, I click file new. I'm going to so file directory isn't part of the. Okay, so it doesn't allow me to rename, so let's do it in a different way. Go to this path and click new. Let's click new document, let's call it main. Open it up. So you should have your default IDE for opening up a plain text. I have mine as a Notepad++. You may have something different, but anyway, you should go to file, then find save as, and save this as an HTML. So it's here, Hypertext Markup Language, choose this, and click save. The page will be saved as main HTML. Okay, so now we should see main HTML here. Let's just type something like hello world, then go to file, save, or you can just click Ctrl Alt plus S, as you can see, to save all. So let's do that. So press Ctrl Alt S, it will be saved. Now you can go to the folder we just created and double click this main file. It will prompt you the browser in which you would like to open the file. We will be using Google Chrome during our series, so we are saved by choosing always use this app to open and click OK. Okay, so here's our first web page. Congratulations, guys. I think that's all for now. So see you later, guys. And I'm really excited to present you Death3.js along with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.